Mr. Sameer Oliai, who's director at TapKids. Welcome to WS 2014.
Thank you so much.
Can you brief us a little into your relatively new company?
Yes.
And can you tell us what you are into, what you are trying to do?
Well, TapKids, which is the product of Pensar Solutions Private Limited, which is our company, is the next generation activity-based learning platform for kindergarten and primary section classes. So what exactly this does, as the name sounds, TapKids, it's tablets for kids. So what we try to do is enhance the entire curriculum in a way that the teacher, the child, as well as the parents are involved in what the child is learning at that age. What we have on TapKids is something that is being done from generations. I mean, basic counting and everything is there, which schools have been teaching students forever. But the way that we presented it is in a very interactive manner, where children love it and the children are very excited doing it. What we suggest to a school generally is to have a separate TapKids classroom or a TapKids room, which is an activity-based room, where there are different tables. Our entire tablet is molded onto the furniture, so the school doesn't have the problem of students leaving a tablet behind or losing it or breaking it, but even for that matter charging it, because all the charging ports are all inbuilt. So what happens is a class comes into the class, a particular class comes into your TapKids classroom. The teacher is the master controller in a way. She assigns every child onto a tablet. All the students take a seat. As soon as the students take their chair, a message can go to the parents. We have this feature inbuilt, where a message goes to the parents online, that they can actually come and see physically what the child is doing on the tablets. The parents have this access for 24 hours. Whenever they want, they can have it. Now, the teacher can start the activity. For example, today I'm the teacher. I want to do counting. For example, I want to just do counting. I want my children to practice counting. Right now, how it's being done is every teacher prints out worksheets. For example, on the first it will be 4 balls, second will be 7 cricket bats, the third will be, I don't know, some different object depicting, and then the child has to physically write them down. So take the worksheets, distribute it to students, collect it back, and then sit and check it. That's how it is done, right? That's the process. What happens in TapKids is, as soon as the teacher decides, okay, I want to do counting, so she on a tablet assigns it on counting. She selects the range of numbers which she wants to do, and she presses the button. Every child sitting in the classroom gets a counting, gets an object to count, and the beauty of TapKids is every child is getting a different number to count. So, for example, I'm sitting on tablet 1, I've got, say, 8 objects to count. My friend sitting next to me has got 4 objects to count. This fellow sitting next to me might have got 12 objects to count. The fellow sitting in front has got 2 objects to count. So, in a way, you cannot just peep and copy the answer and drag it. So, it's very involved in that scenario. And this is just one of the activities that we have. We have around 400 different activities, which covers almost 98% of the total course which CBSE has to offer. We have covered almost 98% of the course. And if a certain school feels...
Sorry, the course level till what level?
Till, right now we've done it from pre-nursery, which is almost 2.5 years of age, till grade 2. So all the courses that are there, which includes your English, Maths, EVS, even cognitive development, Hindi, we've done all these things. We've done even for alphabets of like jumbled up English words, jumbled up Hindi akshars and all that we've covered in TapKids. We have a lot of puzzles and all for children to get involved. We have these physical puzzles that children do. We've got it all on TapKids where they can actually get more involved. It has nothing to do with the course, but it's got a lot to do with their mental development.
How many schools are under the fold right now?
We've just started out in March, so the company is 2.5 years old, but we took 2.5 years to develop the product, and we have done everything ourselves. All the graphics have been designed by us, the entire course content has been designed by us, even the furniture that is being given to the school is manufactured by us. So we do everything ourselves, and since we just started out in March, we've got a contract with around 12 schools, but we've got around leads of around another 100 schools who have shown a lot of interest in installing TapKids, and in the near future, in a couple of months, we should be having over 100 clients.
Okay.
for
These
tab
schools,
kits.
are they located only in Delhi?
No, it's pan-India. I mean,
It's pan.
the product is ready for pan-India.
Only in metros or?
Everywhere. I mean, wherever there's a school who's willing to adopt new technologies and enhance the teacher, we are ready to.
That's exactly the point I was coming to. You know, we find that especially when it comes to tier 2, tier 3 cities, teachers are very, very reluctant. They are very hesitant to this kind of change that technology is bringing into education. Now, there are two questions here. One, whether the schools are accepting what you are trying to bring very, very readily. And two, even if they are, what is the kind of training that is going in for the teachers to adopt this kind of
I'll answer that. First of all, teachers are more than happy to adopt tab kits because it reduces their workload by half or 1/4. I mean, the amount of time they spend in checking those worksheets, and if they get one wrong, the parent is going to be on their head. You know that, "Arey, my child did this wrong, and you've done it right." The teacher spends one day learning how tab kits works, which is so easy. You give me a 10-year-old kid and I can explain it to him how tab kits works. It's that easy. Everything is picture form, everything is easy. There's a start, you select your activity and you press assign, that's it. That's how easy tab kits is to work. So once the teacher realizes the amount of benefits they're getting, they're more than willing to tell the management that, it's time we adopt tab kits. About tier 2, tier 3 cities, it's quite surprising. We thought the same, but most inquiries come from these cities. And we always thought the big cities will be the ones that will really go in for it. But sometimes we are quite surprised that tier 2 and tier 3 cities are also really wanting to adapt new technologies. So it's been a win-win in both situations. We've not had that problem so far.
Right. Any plans in the future, in the coming months or years, about extending this from beyond standard 2, to higher levels?
As I said, it's been just a couple of months that we actually started out. The plan is definitely there to go for senior classes, but maybe the model will change a bit, because right now the reason we have this inbuilt for richer planning system is we didn't want small students to lose the tablets, have that problem of charging and all. When we're looking at senior classes, maybe 5th onwards, maybe the concept of the teacher involvement and all will be the same, that the teacher can physically interact with the child using the same platform, but maybe the model of working changes where the tablets actually go to the particular classroom. We have a trolley-based system where every child in the classroom has a tablet. So maybe the model changes. We are working on that. And we have to still develop, and as I told you, we do the entire course content development ourselves. We don't hire third party and all, and the entire course content development has been done with teachers and psychologists. We've actually sat with them. That's why it took us 2.5 years only to make the course content. So the course content has been developed in a very, very fine manner, and if we do it for the senior level, we have to reach that standard to do it. We want to maintain the standard that we've done for the primary classes.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Great pleasure.
Thank you so much.